Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a document summarizer using Node.js and Transformer.js. So what are we going to learn in this video? First, we will understand what is text summarization and its uses. Next, we will learn how to use AI models directly inside Node.js runtime. Third, we will learn how to generate summaries from long text files using Transformer.js. So first, let us understand what is text summarization. Let's say you are an academic researcher whose job is to write research paper. Now to write good research paper, you need to read hundreds or two hundreds of research papers which are already published. Now that is a very time consuming job. That's because you have to go through hundreds of documents, and sooner you will realize many of them are irrelevant or not related to what you are doing. So what if there is a summarizer which can condense the information present in 20 pages of research paper into a single document as a summary? Then you'll be able to quickly scan through all those research papers and find out which one is relevant to your research so that you can deep dive into that particular research paper in detail. So that was one example or a use of text summarization. Another example is emails. If you receive a lot of emails which are very lengthy, then an email summarizer can be of good help. In fact, if you are using an enterprise version of Gmail, which is nothing but Google Workspace, you would have already seen that it provides a summary of the email content. Next example are news. So there are a lot of news being generated every single day, and it's hard to keep track of everything. So what if we can summarize the news so that you can just quickly scan through the headlines or summary to get a quick gist of the news. Another examples are books. If you have a long list of books which you cannot read and you just need the summary, you can make use of text summarizer. Another example is for summarizing a large website which has a lot of information and you don't have time to read it. Document summarization or text summarization in short is an AI task where a long piece of text is converted into a short version while preserving the main meaning. So in this tutorial, we will use abstractive summarization powered by transformer model. So text summarization are primarily categorized into extractive summarization and abstractive summarization. So extractive summarization is basically selecting key phrases out of the text, and abstractive summarization is paraphrasing or generating new texts. So we will be using abstractive summarization. So these transformer models which we are going to use in our code are based on deep learning architectures which are trained on massive data sets. So enough of theory, let's start writing the code. By the way, if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing the channel so that you keep getting the videos in the future. So let's start writing the code. I'm inside my Visual Studio Code. So let us initialize this as a node project. I'll do that by typing npm init-y. So it generated a package.json file. I'll just change this type to module instead of common.js, and I also need to install the transformer.js library. So I will do and let me clear the console. I'll type npm install hugging face slash transformers. See, So this will download this library or this package into the node modules. So you can see node modules folder is getting created. So transformers package is installed. So I can see that in my package.json under dependencies. Okay, so let us start writing the code. I'll create a index.js file. So we will start by importing the pipeline function from Hugging Face Transformers package. This basically imports a pipeline function, which is nothing but a helper for Transformers.js. So let us create a classifier variable and initialize a text summarizer model. So inside pipeline, you'll find a lot of AI models which can be used for whatever you want to do. We are going to use a text summarization model. So we'll use this summarization. So now our classifier with a text summarization AI model is ready. Now we need to pass on the text for which we want to generate the summary. So let us also create a text is equal to this is a sample test text. Right. One more time, this is also a sample, sample. Okay. Now let's create a variable called summary and we'll pass on this. We'll use await because it takes time for the AI model to summarize the data, and we will pass on this text variable into the classifier. Now let us log this summary inside a console log statement. Let us try to run this. I think we will get some error and we will fix it on the fly. So I ran this command called node.index. So initially it will take some time because it needs to download the model for the first time. Okay, we can wait. So we got a summary. I know this looks a bit longer. Okay, we'll try to use a real practical example. Okay, so let me take a text. I'll copy one text from a news article. So I got this article. I got this text about an iPhone launch. Read backticks as this text is in multiple lines. I'll wrap this text using a word wrap. So you can see there are a lot of lines in this text. And now I'll try to summarize this text. Node index. So this article was basically regarding an iPhone launch, iPhone 18 Pro launch. So here you see the text was summarized in fewer lines. The Apple could launch iPhone 18 Pro model in September 2026 and so on. Now I can also reduce the length of the generated text. So if you see the classifier function, there are two parameters. One is the variable called text and the second variable is called options, which takes some parameters. Okay, so we'll try to enter these parameters. We'll press Control and space, and we'll get some suggestions. So here we can find a lot of parameters, and let's try to find uh, this parameter called max new tokens, and let us restrict the max new token variable to 50. So we want the summary to be in 50 words. Okay, now let us run this for index. So we got this in 50 words. We got the summary in 50 words. Let us try with another example. So I have this text which mentions something about Google reducing the Gmail storage to 4 GB or 8 GB, 5 GB. Let's try to summarize this text. Okay, node index. So I have replaced the text variable, the const variable, with this content, and we'll try to summarize this. So we got the summary that Google is limiting the storage offers to the users from 15 GB to 5 GB. This is a chance. This is a change to the 15 GB policy used to offer free storage for free to the users. This would give Google some data about who the user is. So this is how you generate summary. See, you can see how much time you can save while trying to read a summarized version of a document instead of going through the complete document. I hope you liked watching this video. If you found it useful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.